Hey crew, today I want to introduce to you my top 5 favorite Instagram accounts for all the travel feels and travel inspiration that you can get for your next trip. Let's go. Number 1 on the list, Diecast Ryan. He gets some ultimate pics of airplanes, and I don't know how he does it. I think he goes up in a helicopter, maybe he uses a drone, but his name is Ryan Patterson. He's from Washington, D.C. Get this, he's 20 years old. He's been on the cover of some awesome magazines, and if you want airplane pictures, he is the guy to go to. Number 2 on the list is Meghan Hing. We have done some work together in the past. We work for the same company. She works in our social media department, but on the weekends, she's all over the world. She gets fire pictures, and her TikTok is also insane. If you need Instagram hacks or photo editing tips, her TikTok is also crazy good. So check her out, Meghan Hing. Number 3 on the list is a flight attendant couple, actually, Raul and Lauren. I know Lauren personally, but their Instagram account is _catching flights and feelings, and it's just incredible. Lauren's account is _she's on the loose. This new account only has a couple thousand followers. Her other account's got 20,000 followers. So you know you're gonna get some good stuff. Awesome coloring, and they are the cutest couple ever. Number 4 on the list is a guy named Ringel. I haven't actually met him. I've talked to him on a Zoom call before, but I have flown with his dad. His dad works here, and so does he now. But his Instagram account is incredible. Super well colored, and pictures of his wife, his kid, his airplanes. It's everything I wish my account was. Last but certainly not least, number 5 on the list, and these are in no particular order by the way, is Jackie. Pilot Jax on Instagram. She is not only a flight attendant traveling the world and posting just beautiful photos, she's also just got her commercial pilot license. So she's on her way to big things. If you need to be inspired, especially if you're going into the aviation field, go follow her right now. I hope you're inspired. And who do you like to follow on Instagram? Drop a comment below with your Instagram handle and I'll look you up. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week. Hey crew, today I want to introduce to you my top 5. Number 2 on the list is Meghan Hing. I know her personally. We've done some work together. Whoops. She's got another Instagram account, no, that's what this is for, inspiration. I want you to be inspired. Have an awesome week. See you next week.